What's up, guys? We are back. Today we're actually kind of prepping the body work. We got hot bodies this time, so we're gonna be prepping this stuff to take up to Andy at Colorworks by Duff up in Atlanta. So he's gonna get everything painted, and then obviously Justin with Epic Superbike Designs will be doing the graphics just like on the last bike. So we're just kind of started getting the stuff together, and Dad will kind of take you through the bodywork process, and I'm sure I'll be doing some filming and stuff when I'm up in Atlanta with Andy. So that's what we have going on today.
Alright guys, we're going to start sanding. You can see on the tank we had this Ninja here that you can feel. So in order to get that, when we put the new paint on it, so you can't feel it, we had to sand it down. So we'll finish up the tank and we'll start on the rest of the body work. And like Hunter said, we'll get it up to Atlanta to get it painted. I'm going to start the belly pan. We got the gas tank all finished. This is just, need to scuff this up. It's already primed. Not as much work in this. The gas tank was the original paint, so we had to get that down. This is just a primer. And working on the tail section now. Little nooks and crannies, or it won't stick. Next up, we got the fender. Doesn't look like much, but it's got little nooks and crannies that are hard to get to. Alright, we got all the body work sanded, ready to go to Atlanta. We have the forks out. Those have got to go up to South Carolina to two-wheel suspension. The gold ones actually are off my other son's R6 that are bent. Got to get those repaired as well. Got the gas tank all ready to go. And get this thing put back together. Getting closer. Thanks for watching. Today I'm doing some piddly stuff, little odds and ends. The grips, as you can see, got the grips on now. These pieces right here, I had to drill and put a clip in here. I had to modify these to work with the race body work, but I don't like the open sides on these bikes without these. Put another clip in here. It's got one here, and then it's got like some Velcro strips in different spots. Then I had to make a mount to put the reservoir on for the rear brake. The stock, it came mounted down here. One, it was hard to get to, but two, when they put the rear sets on, it lifted this up, so the reservoir was actually lower than the fitting here for the master cylinder. So made this bracket, comes out here, holds this, and gets it up higher than this. Easy to get to. And we got the brakes bled. So we got rear brakes now. Next thing I'm going to do is, I've got the pads here. I'm going to install the front brake pads and bleed the front brakes. That's about all I got left until we get the suspension in and a few more items. The full exhaust we have on order. So I'm just waiting on that stuff to come here. Oh, the pin in the front for the pit bull stand, this pin here that goes in so it lifts the front of the bike. We didn't have any that small, so I had to order a big one for this bike. So I can't get the shocks out until I can get that pin in to lift the front of the bike up. Instead of a Carter key, I'm going to use a safety pin. I wire tie it just so when we're changing tires we don't lose the pin, have to hunt for it. And that's it for right now. So I'll change the brakes. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully he'll have a good weekend. No problems. That's it. Thanks. This is your right fork. And you'll notice this 14 millimeter here, that's your adjustment for preload. That's